Okay everybody, this is a little kit that I'm putting up on Etsy, and as you know I like to do my little video. So some well, not supposed to say or name it Polaroid, okay, because it's a trademark name. So I'm calling them instant photos because I know if I put them up, I did check and there is quite a few that use Polaroid, but I thought, do you know what, I'm not going to risk it because it's you know, it's a trademark name. So I was very appreciative of somebody mentioning it to me because I had launched it, and I took it down straight away and renamed it because, you know, fair enough, and thank you very much. Right, so here they are. There's 10 pages in the kit, but there's 6 pages where there's different photos. Okay, and because I like portraits and things, and I think they come in handy for different things. So that's one. That's 2. Hope you can. That's in frame because I'm quite close. Yep, that's fine. Okay. And some boys. That's 3. I mean, some of these are very vintage photos. Actually, a couple of them are my own, so in my own stash. That's 3 and 4. Okay. 5. I love these. I'd like to get some more of those sort. They're really nice. And that one I absolutely love. That is really funny because that didn't look right with this. It looked washed out with this frame, so I actually put a little bit more grunge into that one, and I found that looked better. Like this one too. And then it's the same ones but shrunk down, so that's half the size because that's 2 to a page. It's just for ease of printing for people that struggle with their iPads and stuff. There is ways to do it, but I know what you mean. It can be a bit of a struggle. So that's those. So there's 3 pages of those, and then 1 page of them shrunk down again. So I've got all the copies on there. So great for clusters. That's why I put that there. That's still on there. I haven't done that because that means I'd have to change everything. So just ignore that. Cut that off for me when you use it. Okay. Well, thank you very much, everybody. And I'll speak to you soon. Bye.